If anybody asks you, we was out smashing mailboxes, okay? What?
Why him little? Why me little?
Oh man, the paint's still wet!
Why them littles? To it fit, to it fit, to it fit, to it fit.
No, get off of the stove!
Why you little?
Don't eat the radio! Here, take it to snow tires. Mayor, I want to take it, Captain. Where did all these skull dirt tractors come from?
Why them littles?
Hey guys, there's one going this way. I got it. Come here, little tractor. Come here. Yeah, that's a good tractor. No, come here. What are you doing? You're not supposed to go wandering off all alone. What are you doing with those old racing tires? Come on, Doc. Drive.
To infinity and beyond.
What are you doing? Doc, wait! Doc, hold it. Seriously, your driving's incredible.
Wonderful. Go away.
Hey, I mean it. You still got it.